Did you know that you can earn $600 or more by importing and downloading files and clicking on surveys? All you have to do is to have a mobile phone and internet connection. You don't need any skills at all, and there is no investment. You don't need to have a big following or spend any time with Alice in social media. Neither you need to be an Instagram celebrity, or you don't need to fill any compliance for any website. Are you curious to learn more? Then keep watching this video until the end so you don't miss out in any important step of today's strategy. And if you like videos like this, then do yourself a favor and smash that like button so I can keep sharing with you the latest strategies on digital marketing, and you can be the first one to benefit from this. And if you want to find out additional ways on how to make thousands of dollars online, click on the first link in the description and I will send you information to your email address with all the details on what you have to do. So with that said, let me take you to the computer and get started with today's strategy. So in today's strategy, the first website which I would like you to go to is called Pidera.com. And Pidera.com is a website that is gonna help you to make like an extra cash on the side by completing and doing multiple tasks for the comfort of your home. There is no restriction on the country that can be done, and as well, you can see that it's a limited task that you can actually do. You can invite your friends that as well, they will reward you for that, and then the payments are very instant. So you can come to a website, check it out, and the good thing about this website is like it has got different proofs and reviews. So when you check the reviews, I'm gonna show you that people are actually saying and having good experiences with this website. Okay, so once that you as well, if you got any other questions, you can go into the frequently asked questions, but let's wait until the proof reviews appears, which should be very shortly. And as you can see here, these are the different comments that other people are doing about this platform. It says, for example, "Whoa, Pidera is real and unfair company that really pays well. I just received my first payment and I'm so happy. I was skeptical at first, but after taking out several easy services and getting paid, fully trust Pidera." Okay, more testimonials here. I already received my second payout from Pidera, which was $20. So is more proof. And then as we go down, I receive another amount for Pidera. You can see here, proof $20. So more people getting $20. So you can see that people are actually getting paid like $33 and so on. So you can come to a website, check it out. They got 20, 50, 20. So it will all depend on how much time you dedicate to the platform, but obviously it won't make you a millionaire, but it will help you to get some extra cash. So the only thing you need to do, you need to go into registration. Once that you are on the registration, it's gonna ask you different details about your name and so on, email address, and then make sure that you put the right information, because they will send you the information to your email address, so then you can confirm your account. So once that you have confirmed your account, then you will go into a dashboard. And as soon as the dashboard appears, you will see that it will tell you that one of the ways that you can get money through surveys. Okay, so as you can see here, it's offering me a survey, and once that you come to a dashboard, you're gonna see all the different options. So I like you to come and explore the different options. They got service here, which are actually the ones that pay the most. So you could go to different ones and start doing this, and you could start getting paid from today. So as well as you go down as well, you're gonna be able to see your payment history. You're gonna be able to manage all your settings at the bottom, and then as I showed you before, there is the proof and reviews. So the only thing is you just need to come to a website, sign up, and obviously if there is any further information that you need, you can click on the tutorials, where you can actually see in many different languages, and so you can choose the language that you speak, and then they're gonna give you useful information on how you can get started. Okay, so that's one of the websites, Pidera.com. Another website I want to show you is called Timebox.com, and this website is Another website which actually is gonna pay you from doing multiple tasks, which is like, for example, get pay, post on Facebook, view funny live shows, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks. Okay, so then you can see as well, you can get benefits from the referral program, and they will pay you like almost instantly once that you start making money. And you can come here and you can see that as well, they got like a 24-hour support in case you need. So what you can do is you can either log in with your Facebook, sign up with your Facebook, and then it will ask you to log in. Okay, so another website which I'm gonna show you is called WinTab.com, and WinTab.com is as well another website that will pay you money to watch videos online. Okay, so you can watch videos, commercial ads, movies, TV shows online. It's the perfect way to earn money at WinTab. Okay, so they've got backup from different partners, so you can come check it out. It's a company that is, well done and trusted by other companies. So the only thing you need to do is just sign up. You can find out as well more information about them and how they got started. Okay, so another website which I would like to show you is called Moneycreator.com. And Moneycreator.com is a website which I will allow you to start earning money as well. The only thing you need to register, and then you can find more information on who they are. Moneycreator is a complete site allow users to join and start earning money by completing tasks and service from offered balls. Okay, you're gonna be able to earn enough points to redeem them, and then you can as well get gift cards, PayPal, crypto, and more. So you can see what makes them different. So once that you come to a website and then you sign up, you will be able to see all the information when it comes to tutorials and how you can actually utilize this. But it's gonna as well give you an option that that you can play and earn different things, which obviously you're going to be able to spend in different brands and so on. So you can see the statistics of the transactions that they have had so far, and yeah, that's another website that works worldwide. Okay, so it's money-creator.com. So another website which I want to show you is called offertoro.com. So this website would actually allow you as well to monetize your account, so you will be able to place view ads where they're gonna actually pay you. So it's very easy to integrate, and then you can see all the different live breath monetization. Turn your users into revenue while your users earn rewards in your apps by completing offers, watching videos, and engaging with brands. Okay, so the only thing you need to do is you need to come here and then click on start now, and then you can register all your details as well. So another website which I would like to show you, it's called Starclicks.com. So this website will allow you to click and publish adverts on your account and earn money online. Okay, so you work and earn money online, get paid for your work per click. So it's free to join and it's available worldwide. So as well, you can come check it out and see all the different things that they've got, and how they got started. And you can see here that they will be able to pay you instantly. You will be able to publish the ads, and then you will get paid online, and then you will be able to other people will advertise the website, and that's the way you will be able to get paid by showing the ads. Okay, so then you can go into your account, you will be able to withdraw your balance, and then in case you need any further information, you can always go into help and FAQs, where you're gonna find more information about the platform. You can see if it's a scam, pay proof. So you can see that obviously there's a lot of proof that they are a real company. So you can see that there are different options for that. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys, all the different websites where you could get some extra income. So I hope it helps, I hope it brings you value, I hope that you take implementation, and then obviously you can get great results. Obviously this strategy right here is not gonna make you a millionaire, but it will make you some money on the side. So if you want to learn additional ways where you're gonna make thousands of dollars per month, then click on the first link in the description, where I'm going to send you information to your email address, so you can have everything that you need to get you started with a profitable business online where you can make thousands of dollars. Okay, so if you like this type of videos, I would really appreciate if you give me a massive like, because that will really help me to keep improving and investing on the channel and bring you the latest strategies on digital marketing. So this is all for today's video, guys. I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I hope that you're very successful. Take care now.